My name's Abby Landry, and I'm part owner in Kaizen Homes, and we build custom houses in Western North Carolina.
I'm Jonathan Landry of Kaizen Homes, and we build custom houses in Western North Carolina.
I come from a long line of builders, believe it or not. My dad was a builder in the Haywood County area, as well as my uncles and my grandfather. That is kind of what inspired us to start Kaizen Homes.
We started Kaizen Homes to carry on a family tradition and deliver a quality product to the people of Western North Carolina.
Seeing that finished product and how those people live those lives in that house, and that you were the one that could deliver that product to them, is extremely gratifying. And also the way we really care about the environment, that's a way that we can have a positive impact on something that can really have a negative impact on the environment. Even though I came from a lineage of builders, my background is in the health and wellness industry. So that's one thing that kind of can set us apart, I feel like, in this area as a builder. I'm looking out for what are the things that help you have a better quality of life. So I'm thinking about this big wellness wheel of what makes you feel good as a person, and then how can we mesh that with what your house design is gonna be. We want you to have this house that makes you feel the best that you can feel when you're there. When we were developing Kaizen Homes, we were trying to figure out what type of culture we want to have in the business, what kind of core values we want to have, and we were reading a business book. And in that business book, they talked about the term Kaizen, and Kaizen is a Japanese term that means continual improvement. So for us, and especially with my background in health and wellness, we always see an opportunity for improvement in all areas of lives, and especially in the building industry.
It's a philosophy of building a better product, and each home that we build is a prototype. No two are alike. So with each house that we build, we want to build a better product, and we want to improve our process because we enjoy building houses for people.
Kaizen shows up in the way that we run our business, and we like to have open communications not only with the homeowner, not only amongst ourselves, but with the whole team that's assembling the project. So if anything comes up through that process that's not working well, then there's an area where we can improve. And in the houses, Kaizen shows up in multiple ways. It shows up in the materials that we use. It shows up in how we develop the lot, down to the little bitty details up to the very big picture, that everything is put together just the right way that it's supposed to be put together, and it's going to provide an area for you to improve your life.
The most important thing for me when I deliver a home to a client is hearing how it affects their life in a positive way after they've been there for a while. One of the first houses we ever built for clients, we just visited after 9 years, and she just said aging in place was the one thing that instrumentally changed their life and allowed them to live in their house longer. When we create a home, we want it to fit your lifestyle. It's a part of your life. It's not just the place that you live. So incorporating multi-season rooms, glass walls that open up to a deck that allow you to enjoy the outdoors, that's probably one of the biggest things that we enjoy doing. Our vision for Kaizen Homes is continual improvement. We plan to adapt to the market and meet the needs of the people that call upon us.